Secrets of nutrition hacks you don't believe. Imagine your body as a high-performance machine. What if fueling it right could unlock its full potential? Today, we dive into nutrition hacks you won't believe. Firstly, the power of timing. Eating certain foods at specific times enhances their benefits. For example, consuming protein right after a workout maximizes muscle repair. Now let's talk about hydration. It's not just about water. Adding a pinch of Himalayan salt to your morning glass can supercharge your hydration process. Ever considered that freezing could be your ally? Freezing fruits like bananas and grapes transforms them into sweet, nutritious treats that curb sugar cravings healthily. Don't overlook the magic of spices. Turmeric, with a splash of black pepper, boosts your immune system and fights inflammation like a champion. Here's a game changer: pairing foods to amplify their benefits. Combining vitamin C-rich foods with iron-packed ones enhances absorption, making you stronger. Ending on a sweet note, dark chocolate is not just a treat. In moderation, it's packed with antioxidants, improving heart health and reducing stress. Who knew indulging could feel so right?